Hey y'all, today's video sponsor is Boeshield T-9. I just want to show you real quick. Just got finished servicing my Yamaha engine, changing the oil, do all the typical stuff, filters, fuel lines, grease points, all that stuff. You want to be able to take care of your stuff so it runs good. Last thing you want is a problem caused by lack of preventative maintenance. So that's where the Boeshield comes in handy. All I do before I put the cover on my engine or the cowling, I go through and spray it with this Boeshield. So shake it up a little bit and I just spray the whole thing here. What this is going to do is prevent most of the corrosion from salt air, sea spray that may get up under your cowling. Don't be afraid to use it. Coat the whole engine. So I'm just going to go around my whole engine, down there where all the wiring is. So this is just one of the few products that I really enjoy using and trust on my boat. And you know me, I fish all of the time. I put a lot of hours on my motors. This is a 2007, still going strong, still looking nice and clean.